Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. Today I am going to give you the brief understanding about the Adobe Flash Player. Why suddenly all the browsers are removing the support for Adobe Flash Player, and why the Adobe itself is discontinuing the support for the Adobe Flash Player. So without making any delay, let's start. So let's discuss one by one. So we will try to understand this discontinuation of Adobe Flash Player step by step. So first of all, let's start with the first question. When is the Flash Player end of life date? Means what is the particular date from which it is going to be disabled from the market, or it is going to disappear from the market? So simply that date is nothing but December of 31st 2020. So Adobe has already announced in July 2017 that Adobe will stop distributing and updating the Flash Player after December 2020, and it will be the EOL date, that is end of life date for the Adobe Flash Player. And they have even contacted, or they have even informed to all the big MNCs or the software companies which have their own browsers. So those companies are nothing but Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft and Mozilla. So these companies will also remove the Adobe Flash Player plugin from their browser itself. So the next question is, why did Adobe decide to EOL or end of life for the Flash Player and select the end of life date 2020? So what is the reason behind it? So according to Adobe, the reason behind this one is the open standards such as HTML5, WebGL and WebAssembly have continually evolved a lot, and they have become mature enough so that they can just act as an alternative or viable alternative solution for the Adobe Flash Player. So now these major browser vendors are integrating these open standards into their browsers and deprecating most of the other plugins like Adobe Flash Player. So this means like these open standards are taking the place of Adobe Flash Player, so they don't need Adobe Flash Player anymore. So their browsers are itself capable of handling the Flash content without taking the help of Adobe Flash Player. So this is the most important reason behind the discontinuation of Adobe Flash Player. So Adobe has already informed in 2017, that is 3 years before, or we can say they have given the advance notice to entire world that they are going to discontinue this Adobe Flash Player on 31st December 2020. So this is the sufficient time period they have given for all the developers, designers and business stakeholders to make them comfortable without Adobe Flash Player. So when they decide to discontinue the Adobe Flash Player, these people will not get impacted more, and they can make themselves ready for the future. And they got the time to migrate existing Flash content as needed to new open standards. So this is the main reason they have announced in 2017 itself, that is 3 years prior. So how will this decision impact Adobe Flash Player support and distribution for remainder of the year 2020? Now what is the impact of this discontinuation of Adobe Flash Player? So whatever will be the impact of this Adobe Flash Player discontinuation or stopping this Adobe Flash Player from the market, Adobe will discontinue issuing the regular Flash Player security patches, maintain OS level and browser level compatibility. So Adobe will continue to support security patches and maintain OS and browser level compatibility till the end of 2020, means December 31st 2020. But after that, Adobe will not take any of such responsibilities, and they are simply going to remove this software from all the internet websites. Will Adobe make previous versions of Adobe Flash Player available for download after 2020? So the answer here is no. After 2020, Adobe will not give the support, or they will not publish the software on their internet or websites to make it available for download. So Adobe will be simply removing Adobe Flash Player download pages from its site or from their website, and those will be blocked from running the Adobe Flash Player. So all the websites will be blocked from running the Adobe Flash Player after the EOL date or end of life date. So it is recommended to all the users in the world to stop using Adobe Flash Player. I find a Flash Player available for download on a third party website, can I use it? So if you are finding that Flash Player available on any third party website, so is it secure, or is it safe to use that Flash Player? So the answer here is no. It is not recommended to use those third party provided Flash Player plugins. So the reason here is these versions of Flash Player are not authorized by Adobe. So this is the most important reason, that those are not authorized by Adobe. And customers should not use the unauthorized versions of Flash Player, because these Flash Player plugins may contain the malwares and viruses that may damage their computers, their laptops and their desktops. So this is 100% not recommended to use those third party provided Adobe Flash Player plugins. And if something wrong happens in your computer, or in your desktop, or in your system, then Adobe will not be taking any of such responsibility, because they have already announced that they are going to discontinue this Adobe Flash Player. Okay, so it is recommended to remove this Flash Player from your browsers, or whenever you are trying to use it, stop using it. So the next question is, which browsers and operating systems currently support the Adobe Flash Player? So this is the website I will mention in the description below in the comment section. Here you can go and check what are the browsers and operating systems which are currently supporting the Adobe Flash Player. So here you will find the latest list of Flash Player supported browsers and operating systems. So here the important note is, as the EOL date is coming closer, end of life date is coming closer, that is 31st of December 2020, the number of Flash Player supported browsers and operating systems are getting lower, and they are going to decrease in the future. So Adobe is strongly encouraging their customers to migrate to other open standards in the place of Adobe Flash Player. So don't use that Flash Player. That is the simplest and easiest thing they are trying to convey. So the next question is, will Adobe provide security updates for Flash Player after the end of life date? Means after December 31st, 2020, are they going to provide any of the security updates or a kind of a support? So here the answer is simply no. Adobe will not issue Flash Player updates or security patches after the EOL date or December 31st, 2020. Adobe is recommending all the users to uninstall Flash Player before the end of life date. So that is what they are trying to highlight you people, that please remove Flash Player from your browser as soon as possible. So you are also able to see in your browser, sometimes there is a kind of pop-up which is asking you to uninstall the Adobe Flash Player from your browser. That I am going to show you how to remove or uninstall the Adobe Flash Player from your browser. So now I will show you how to disable the Adobe Flash Player from your browser. So once you open your browser, you will get this kind of notification in your browser. So in that notification, you just need to click on this turn off button. So once you click on this turn off button, your Adobe Flash Player will automatically get switched off. So it will stop working for the future. Does Apple Safari support this Flash Player? Apple Safari version 14 released for Mac OS in September 2020 will no longer be loading the Flash player or Flash content. So after 31st of December 2020, Apple Safari also will not be loading any Flash content, and they are also discontinuing all these Flash player related things from their browser. This is also the important thing, and for more information you can just visit to Apple Safari support for more information. So this was the complete update on Adobe Flash Player. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks a lot.